Hi, I'm Rajat Shinde. Welcome to the demo of CallMate AI, an intelligent voice assistant that transforms customer support calls. Customer services, wait times, frustrate users, and cost businesses. CallMate AI lets customers speak naturally and get instant AI powered answers. No hold music, no typing. Let's see in action. I will ask a common support question using my voice. Hi, my internet is down. How can I fix it? CallMate AI transcribe my speech, send it to an LLM, and respond in real time. We also display a confidence score so agents can audit response quality. Every interaction is logged in admin dashboard. Manages, review, chat history, feedback, and usage analytics. Here is how it works under the hood. Build with Streamlit, FastAPI, speech recognition, and SQLite. Deploy on Render and Streamlit Cloud. Next, we are adding multilingual support, CRM interaction, and whisper-based transcription for even higher accuracy. That's CallMate AI 24 by 7 voice supports that delights customer and reduces cost. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the hackathon.